in the color of your teeth may be subtle and happen gradually. Some yellow color may be inevitable. Teeth can look more yellow and darken especially as you age. As the outer enamel wears away, the yellowing tannin underneath becomes more visible. Tannin is the second layer of the calcified tissue beneath the outside enamel layer if you are looking to whiten your teeth. Here do have some alternatives to conventional methods. Please be careful with that home whitening, because you may damage your teeth if products are used incorrectly or for too much time. You may wear away too much of your enamel, which could put you at risk for sensitivity and cavities. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can be used in very small amounts to whiten teeth. Make a mouthwash by making 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 6 ounces of water. Swig the solution for 30 seconds. Then rinse with water and brush your teeth. Show for apple cider vinegar research published in 2014. Trusted source found that apple cider vinegar has a bleaching effect on cow teeth. However, it should be noted that it has the potential to cause damage to the hardness and surface structure of teeth. So use it with caution and only use it for short amounts of time. More human studies are needed to expand upon these findings. Brushing with baking soda. Baking soda can gently polish away stains on the surface of the teeth. Some people worry that baking soda is too harsh and may grind away enamel. But research from 2017 found it to be a safe way to remove stains. Baking soda may also help to fight bacteria, which suggests that it may be able to reduce plaque and prevent tooth decay. Whitening with fruits. Papain and bromelain, which are enzymes that occur in papayas and pineapple respectively, may both help to whiten teeth. A 2012 study found preliminary evidence that solutions containing these ingredients could offer modest whitening effects. However, the authors of the study cautioned that more research is necessary to determine whether or not these enzymes are effective. Get plenty of calcium in your diet. Some tooth discoloration is caused by enamel eroding and exposing the dentin underneath, which is yellow. Therefore, anything you do to straighten the enamel of your teeth will help keep your teeth pearly white. Calcium-rich foods such as milk, cheese, and broccoli may help protect your teeth from